Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A52. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. At the beginning open Play Store and search for Battery Sound Notification app. Install it. And open. Now press the plus button. Choose mode between connected and low battery. And choose sound source.
Disconnected.
Now name your function and give it description. If it's done, tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.